Confused about which self-leveling line laser to buy? Which brand is good and which product is best? Well, there's no need to worry because we are here and we've got you all covered. Stay tuned as we're bringing you the 5 best self-leveling lasers on the market. We have selected the top 5 brand products to review and compare for you so that you can select one according to your need without going through the hassle of your own research. If you want to find out more about the products in our video, you can check the links in the description below. So without further ado, let's start. First on our list we have the Bosch 100-foot self-leveling cross-line laser with VisiMax Green Beam. The Bosch GLL100GX Green Beam self-leveling cross-line laser features an all-in-one functionality with vertical, horizontal, and cross-line modes. This laser is capable to project 2 lines independently or even together, turning a 2-man job into one. Isn't that an amazing feature? But that's not all. The cross-line laser projection, level and plumb, is a time saver and covers a wide range which is ideal for the alignment of drop HVAC, ceiling, tile, lighting, plumbing, electrical, and cabinet installations. Another important fact, the built-in VisiMax technology empowers outstanding line visibility in normal working conditions. The Bosch also has Smart Pendulum System, which self-levels and indicates out-of-level condition to ensure an accurate layout by smart leveling. The green beams in this product are up to 4 times brighter than the average red beams, which enables the tool a working range of up to 100 feet to work on jobs no matter how small or large. It's very fast and accurate and offers an accuracy of plus or minus 1/8 of an inch at 33 feet. It's very versatile as the lines can be projected together or separately for alignment application. The VisiMax technology helps in monitoring power consumption in order to maximize line visibility and also extend battery life. And did you know that this product is IP54 rated to protect against water and dust? And the laser is also built with a sturdy overmolded construction with the IP54 rating to protect against dust and water. Bosch offers a simple, user-friendly, reliable, and also an affordable product, which can be used indoor and also outdoor, but not under direct sunlight. It offers an accuracy of plus or minus 1/8 of an inch at 33 feet, and it can be mounted on a wall or tripod and comes with 3 AA batteries. This product has a 2-year warranty and can be returned in 90 days. Next on the list we have DEWALT 12-volt max lithium-ion 100-foot green self-leveling 3-beam 360-degree laser level with battery 2AH charger and case. DEWALT 12-volt green cross-line laser is designed to take on the tough jobs as it has a 12-volt lithium-ion rechargeable power tool battery. It comes packed with IP65 technology which helps it to be resistant to debris and water. What makes it so special? It has a 360-degree line laser to help a full room layout. The full-time pulse mode is also available, which enables use with detector and maintains maximum brightness to extend the range and visibility. This product also has a locking pendulum, which helps avoid damage to internal parts and components. It also has many mounting options, a magnet on the back which lets it attach to metal, a bracket that can be screwed to wall and also on a tripod, and this is also so wonderful for the users. To sum it up, DEWALT offers a reliable and heavy-duty product, which can carry out almost any task effectively. It has 3 beams which help in a 360-degree leveling and adds value to it. This product has 3 years limited warranty and can be returned within 90 days. Now jumping on the third product, Johnson's self-leveling rotary laser level system. You need to know that Johnson designed its self-leveling rotary laser level system for vertical and horizontal use. This product is basically catered to accomplished tradesmen and homeowners as it can work well with both indoors and outdoors. It's quite user-friendly. You just simply need to unlock the transportation lock and turn it on, and the laser will level by itself on the X or Y axis. This locking technology protects inner pendulum during transportation. This laser projects a red light beam with 360 degree with a max distance of 800 feet. with the claimed measurement accuracy of plus or minus 1/8 of an inch. It also incorporates 3 rotational speeds of 200, 400, and 600 RPM. The slower rotational speed helps intensify beam visibility, whilst the higher speed is used for outdoor use with the detector. The laser self-levels in horizontal planes while it has to be manually leveled in vertical applications. Johnson has done a good job offering to its customers with a durable and high-impact product that is job site tough, as it has an enclosed beacon that protects the inner components from water and dirt. This product comes packed with 4 AA alkaline batteries. Another interesting thing, it also has audible and visual alarms which go off when it is beyond leveling range. It can be mounted on wall or a tripod. It has 3 years warranty and is returnable in 90 days. Now moving on to the 4th product. MAKITA 12V Max CXT Self-Leveling Cross-Line 4-Point Green Laser Kit. It's wonderful to know. Lasers are usually used in early stages of construction when measurements are made. MAKITA came up with a product which gives its users a cordless solution for vertical and horizontal cross-reference lines, plus 4-point, which is required for alignment, plumb, level, and square applications. And you have to know that depending on the ambient light, the MAKITA SK106 GDZ has a visibility of line which ranges up to 115 feet. It incorporates a bright light with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/8 of an inch at 33. It provides with 160-degree vertical and 180-degree horizontal lines for full coverage. It's also very fast in terms of self-leveling line stability, which is achieved in up to 3 seconds. It's pretty amazing, as it also helps increase productivity and reach efficiency. So yeah, this product is great for users looking for a high continuous runtime, as this product offers 12V Max CXT battery, which delivers 20 hours of continuous runtime. It's also great for users looking for a self-leveling on uneven surfaces, as this product offers the users correct up to 4 degrees of slope. It is also IP54 rating product, which helps ensure the users that it's dust and water resistant. It also offers to lower laser brightness mode, which helps extend the battery runtime, performance, and also a battery protection circuit, which protects against overheating along with overloading as well. MAKITA offers a 3-year limited warranty and is returnable for 90 days. Now we turn up to our last product. LEICA LINO L2G Crossline Green Laser Level. LEICA LINO products are manufactured and designed for professionals, improving their results by making their work easier. LEICA LINO provide amazing and excellent performance, quality, along with well-conceived accessories. The LEICA LINO L2G Crossline laser has great visible lines at the appropriate and correct angles to one another. This new laser comes equipped with the latest green laser technology, which makes lines even more clear and visible. Another interesting fact, because of this new green laser technology, this will help make it easier for you to see your reference lines, as it will enhance the visibility and eventually improve the effectiveness, along with efficiency of interior work. The LEICA LINO L2G Crossline Green Laser can be used even in extreme lighting conditions, or can be used over long distances. It projects precise and sharp lines for easy leveling, projecting 2 lines, vertical and horizontal, incorporating a much refined fan angle expanding behind the unit. Therefore, it's important to know that overall the LEICA LINO is a professional tool, which comes in handy in almost every situation and environment. It comes with AA batteries and has 2 numbers of beams, which has a maximum distance of 100 feet. It can be mounted on a tripod and on the walls as well. LEICA offers a 3-year warranty when registered through My World, and is returnable within 90 days. So there you have the 5 best self-leveling line lasers on the market today. As you'll notice, every brand of self-leveling line laser has its own distinctive set of features that help them give an edge over the others and stand out from the rest. Different features in these different brand products will appeal to people based on their requirement and need, so this will help you narrow down your choice for which is most suited for you. We surely hope that this video will help you in deciding which product is best for you and your work. If you find any featured products interesting, then just click on the link below to get them at their best prices. So that's it. Please join our growing community by hitting the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon for notification. Don't forget to write a comment below if you want a product to be reviewed in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Until next time.